Hey everyone, welcome back. If Discord is asking you to verify your age and you want it to go through without any errors, this guide will help you do it correctly on the first try. Let's go step by step. Step 1. Understand why Discord asks for age verification. This usually happens when you try to access age-restricted servers and SFW content, or when your account gets flagged during a safety check. Step 2. Prepare a real government-issued ID. You must use a passport, national ID card, or driver's license. School IDs, edited images, or fake documents will always get rejected. Step 3. Make sure your details match. Your date of birth on Discord must match the birth date on your ID. If there's a mismatch, the system can fail the verification. Step 4. Take a high-quality photo of your ID. Use good lighting, and no blur, no shadows, no fingers covering information. All 4 corners of the ID must be visible. Step 5. Don't edit the image. No filters, no cropping, no color changes. Discord's system can detect edited photos and automatically reject them. Step 6. Complete the face verification properly. If Discord asks for a selfie or face scan, remove glasses, hats, or masks. Your face must clearly match the ID photo. Step 7. Use a stable internet connection. Upload failures sometimes happen due to weak internet, which can cause errors during submission. Step 8. Submit only once and wait. Sending multiple attempts quickly can slow down review. Submit carefully and wait for the result email. Step 9. If it still fails, contact support. Go to Discord, support Arrow Trust and Safety, and explain that your verification didn't go through. Most errors happen because of blurry photos, mismatched info, or edited images. Do everything clean and clear, and your age verification should pass without issues. See you in the next guide.